How to make crispy fries at home? We tell about to you with a secret method for the fries of potatoes. So let's go to the recipe making. Bismillah. I need a fresh potato like this size. I cut the potato. Bismillah. Yes, fries like a lady finger. I add a 1 cup of boiled water and wait 5 to 10 minutes. After that, I add a cornstarch 1 cup, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, and 1 tablespoon salt as per taste. Mix well. After that, we fry low medium flame oil. Change the side and dish out. Mashallah, so crispy and delicious recipe ready for eating. Thank you so much. We are waiting for your reply and comment me and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much again. I add a chaat masala for taste. I again thanks for watching my channel and my recipe. Bye. Allah Hafiz.